So you just bought a Samsung S95B. What should you do? What should you do? Follow me. So the first thing you do is get this remote, right? This is an old Samsung remote. It can also be used as a service remote. You know, borrow it from your friend, your family, your parole officer, and do the following. Mute 182 power. And it should show the service menu. Looks like it's taking. Yep, that's the service menu over there. Bring down to SVC, which is service. Press enter. Then bring to auto settings, other settings. Okay. And the adjustment. Press enter. Power off. And then take the original remote, power on. Power's on there. And then when you go to the settings, menu, setting, all settings. Go to picture mode. Now you see calibrated night and calibrated day. Just use one of those. So calibrated night is the closest thing to be calibrated without actually doing any type of calibration. And then you can use this RGB setting here. But again, this is such a generic setting that may or may not work with your TV. But minus the RGB settings, this is the closest thing you get to be calibrated without being calibrated. So calibrated night it is. Oh, by the way, I just want to show you the weird pixel structure of the S95B. It's in triangular pattern instead of square. You can see this picture here. Just sharing with you. So what do you think about this video? Is it helpful for you? Click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave your comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.